I have a question for you. How have you been sleeping? Do you or your partner snore? I know I don't. How does a good night's sleep sound without the snoring sound? I want you to meet Melissa Jones. She is with Silentium. It's a natural sleep supplement that happens to be made right here in Arizona. So thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
Well, I'm thinking a lot of people's ears just perked up, right? Because when it comes to sleep and snoring, they kind of go hand in hand. First of all, let's talk about the problem. We hear it a lot.
Yes.
Americans just aren't getting a good night's sleep.
No.
What are the numbers really saying?
Over 70% of Americans do not get a good night's sleep, which is huge. It affects so many things. It affects the way your body functions, the way your mind functions. Sleep deprivation is, I would say, one of our #1 health problems, honestly.
Yeah, I think I could agree with you on that one because it affects us in so many ways, physically and emotionally. So let's talk about this product here. And first of all, I'm glad that, thank you for bringing it to our attention, being right here in our backyard. This is, you call it a natural sleep supplement.
Correct.
Let's talk first of all about the sleep portion of it. What are the products in here that help us get a better night's sleep?
The first thing is magnesium. Our body needs magnesium for over 700 processes that it does every single day. And as a nation, we are magnesium deficient. So I don't know if you've ever enjoyed a nice Epsom salt bath before you go to sleep. Well, that is
all the time.
straight magnesium. So your body's absorbing that. So if the difference between a non-salt bath night of sleep and when you've had some salt, huge. So if you're ingesting and swallowing the magnesium, it's going right into the bloodstream. It's going to, over time, help overcome that deficiency. And like I said, you need it for so many processes in the body, sleep being the #1 thing.
Absolutely, and with a good night's sleep, then everything else starts to fall back into play. Let's talk about snoring. I know, like I said, I don't snore. What is the ingredient in this product that helps with snoring?
It's kind of that magic combination between the magnesium, the calcium, and the sodium. It's just enough of each ingredient that helps the body relax enough to not be snoring. And I'm of course not saying don't do your CPAP machine or don't do whatever you're doing. There's no medical things here, but it will help the body relax enough and that soft palate relax enough that you're not getting the snoring effect.
Okay, let's talk about dosage and what is that you recommend, and who's besides 70% of us who aren't getting enough sleep, I'm going to say who's a good candidate? Do you have to have both conditions, lack of sleep and bad snoring?
No, just one. The desire for a better night's sleep is just huge. So
and the dosage?
It's just 1 cap per night. Some people take 2. I only take 1, and it works well for me at 1. So our recommended dosage is just 1 cap per night. So it's basically a month's worth in a jar. If you're going to share, then you would need 2 jars per month, of course. But
but it's not based on body weight or anything like that.
The short term of that is yes. Every supplement that's manufactured is dosed upon a certain body weight, but most people should be fine with 1 cap.
Okay, all right. It's a natural supplement. You want a good night's sleep? How about that? You want to get some better rest, stop the snoring? Silentium Sleep Supplement, manufactured in Chandler, by the way. They have an offer for you. Buy 3 bottles and get 25% off your 4th bottle. Call 480-877-0408 or visit the website silentium.us.